Floetrol versus glue. What's better for acrylic pouring? Let's find out. Don't forget to wear gloves so that you don't get any paint on your hands, and make sure to have a scale to mix all of your paints. On the left we have Floetrol, and on the right we have Studio Art glue. My ratio for Floetrol is 50-50 Floetrol and paint, and my ratio for the glue is 50-50 glue and water, and then that solution will be 50-50 paint. Even with the water added to the glue, it still looks a little gloopy, whereas the texture of the Floetrol is very smooth. Look at how the water is affecting the solution on the right side, diluting the paint. All right, now let's see what it looks like when we blow it out. You can immediately see those cells popping up on the left with the Floetrol. I was actually surprised that the glue also had cells. With the same composition and the same colors, we get vastly different results. The glue clumped up while the Floetrol stayed intact. The winner is, drumroll please, Floetrol! Like if this was helpful, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching Art with Bianca. Watch another video for another tutorial.